is unsteady. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for Garland County in central Arkansas, west central Saline County in central Arkansas, southeastern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, northeastern Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mount Ida, moving east at 60 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing up to 2-inch hail as well, most recently in Mount Ida. Hazard: tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hot Springs Village, Mount Ida, Mountain Pine, Lansdale, Hot Springs Memorial Field, Myers, Jessieville, Lake Washita State Park, Rockwell, Hot Springs National Park, Malden, Avant, Magnet Cove, Oaklawn Racetrack, Sunshine, Royal, Lena Landing Recreation Area, Gulfi Gorge, Hempwallace.